Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Radebe, back on the screens once again, and today's video we're just going to be talking about random things that I think you guys might find helpful. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. I've been bumping into a lot of videos whereby black content creators are fighting once again to be recognized for the work we put in, and we're just asking for YouTube to ensure that their algorithm is not biased, because it is, and that's just what it is. People like Jackie Aina that has like 3 million subscribers still telling her subscribers to make sure that their notification bell is switched on, and even if it is switched on, YouTube still doesn't notify our people, because I know this firsthand, okay? Because some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, I didn't realize you posted a week ago, and I'm just like, yeah, I did. And then she's like, my notification bell is on and YouTube didn't notify me. And that's the thing about it, is that you can't even fight YouTube because it's such a big corporation. But anyway, I wanted you guys to please make sure that any video that I do post out there, it has taken me time, energy. For example, this whole week I didn't want to record because I was not in the right space of recording. Not saying that I was going through something, no, I just didn't have the energy, and like, because I feel like it resonates when your energy is off, it resonates in camera. So I didn't want you guys to feel all of that, right? So that's why I was like, I'm not gonna record until I feel good. And you know what, my makeup is good. I'm wearing a yellow top, which means I'm happy. Sunshine. So I am good, I'm in a happy space, and I am here going to talk to you guys about random stuff. What is my nail routine? Don't have one. You guys have seen me for the longest of time on this channel, and you have never seen me with nails, like installed nails. I don't install nails because I'm a handy gal. After I record this, I'm going to be there with the hammer, okay? So for me, putting on nails, paint, what do you call it? Nail polish nail polish on my nails is something I don't have time for. I just keep them in their natural state like this, and they just grow long. I've cut them. Which is the other thing, guys, if you are noticing that your nails are not as strong, that means you are lacking iron and biotin in your body. You should probably start consuming that and eating your spinach, eat your livers, probably start taking supplements. Because if your hair, if the way to know if your hair is growing is if your nails are growing. If your nails are growing, that means you have enough nutrients. You are the one that cannot retain length because you're not moisturizing your hair on time, and you're not having a proper strict natural hair routine, and that's it. Because if your nails are growing, your hair is growing, trust me, you are the one that doesn't know how to retain length. And take that up with God. Girl, I'm kidding, take that up with your attitude towards your natural hair, okay? Because your nails are growing, that means your hair is also growing, guys. Come on, do you see what I'm talking about? Even skin tone. Okay, anyway, so I've bought a random pink basket full of stuff that I think you guys might find helpful. So, but before we get into that, let's burn some incense. Because you know what, guys, I feel like I keep a lot away from you guys, including like my spirituality and how I just align myself. Most of it has to do with making sure that my spiritual self is good, because when I'm not aligned with my spiritual self, I cannot think straight, right? So that's why for me, I fast, I pray, I journal, which is the other thing that's supposed to be in the basket but it can't fit. Guys, not all of us can afford going to therapists. So for me, I find writing very therapeutic and calming, and I feel like it when I'm having an anxiety attack, which is the one thing you guys don't know, I suffer from anxiety. When I do have one, I just grab my pink book and I start jotting down exactly how I'm feeling. I journal and then I script, right? So for me, scripting is more directed or skewed towards manifesting and writing everything that I down and making sure that it comes into fruition. Because girl, when you write it down, when you set it out and you action it out, there's no way, it has to happen, right? You're not even giving God a chance to try to negotiate your dreams with you, which is the other thing. Make sure that what you have in mind is what God also has envisioned for you. So ask, just for tonight, before you go to bed, ask God, be like, God, can you please align my dreams with what you have envisioned for me? Because it's pointless for you to say you want to go to America. At that time, God wants you to go to Lesotho. What are you doing? What are you doing? You see? So make sure that you and your higher power are aligned. So I just pray that if you are going through some negative stuff, I remove it. Just cast it away. Any spirits that no longer serve you, be gone. Okay, be gone. I am here to work. I want a good week. So sunscreen, ladies, if you are dark skin, in fact everyone, whoever's watching this, please start using sunscreen. Black people, who said you must not use sunscreen? It's very important for you guys to use sunscreen. Make sure that it is SPF 50, SPF 30. It must say broad spectrum, okay, because that means it has UVA and UVB. all right, sun protection. If you don't, then your hyperpigmentation is going to keep getting darker and darker, and you're going to wonder why, and you're not going to have that like nice glow. And make sure that you reapply your sunscreen throughout the whole day. That's it. In my little pink basket, we've got edge control. Some of y'all ask me about which edge control I use. I use Creme of Nature, and the only reason I use Creme of Nature is because Jackie Aina uses it. That's the only reason. You know, even me, even though I'm a content creator, I also get influenced by other YouTubers such as Jackie, and she's been using it, and I thought my one is finished, so I might as well invest in this one. I have a love and hate relationship. I actually have a toxic relationship with edge controls because I've got 4C edges and nothing can lay them. Full stop. I will put this on for 30 minutes. No, I'll put it on, and after 30 minutes, so my edges, like right now, I've had it on for like an hour, I think, and look, my edges are not laid, but they are just chilling there. So I like the effect that it has on my edges, but my edges you will never find my edges laid because they never lay, and I'm okay with I've made peace with that's just how my hair is. I have been using the Skin Functional Blemish Controller 10% niacinamide. Okay, now there's lots of things that get me excited, like skincare. So I have been using this product for about 3 weeks now, if not 4 weeks, and my skin has been glowing. Okay, and I know that word is overused, but let me explain what I mean. So my overall skin tone has evened out, and my blemishes are actually starting to, like, not even starting, they have. By the time I'm done with this bottle, I am 100% sure that I'm going to see a significant difference, because you know what, I'm already seeing it. Just a tip: whenever you introduce a new product in your skincare regimen, make sure that you're introducing one product at a time and use it alone, and do a patch test. So you take a little bit of it, you put it over there, leave it overnight to make sure that there isn't any reactions that's going to happen on your skin, and make sure that you pair any kind of acid, whether it's a AHA or BHA, with a sunscreen. It's pointless for you because to use all of these products and then you're not sealing it with sunscreen. Sunscreen is kind of like sealing your hair with shea butter or like a cream. You get what I mean? So you have to make sure that it's overall protected, and these babies can do their jobs. Okay, so what I normally do is I would introduce this and just pair it with a water boost gel and use just these two ingredients for 7 days, and if there's no reaction, then I know that it's safe for me to layer on more products. So that's that. I have completely stopped using aluminum, and I think it's about 6 years now since I've stopped using normal deodorant that includes aluminum, and because it's not good for you. So sulfur is not good for you, which is what you find in your normal toothpaste. So I use organic everything. I try to use organic stuff, and I've been using them for over 6 years. So for me, this is not something I'm saying you guys must start doing because I've started using it. No, I have stopped using normal deodorant for over 6 years. So let me just show you the two that I have here. This is Ben and Anna. This is the one that Linda uses, and I use Pure Beginners. So Linda uses this one. It's a dry deodorant. She's been using it and she's been loving it. So that's how it looks like, and I use the normal one with, it's like liquid, and I've used all their flavors. My favorite one is the mint one. I just thought I should try this spice and oil one. In dry brushing is good for you because it helps with blood circulation. So I dry brush. Different people dry brush for different reasons. I dry brush for that reason, for blood circulation, and that's why I don't have any cellulites. Just make sure that you are using the right oils. The oils I use on my hair are the same oils I use on my body, and I also use shea butter on my body. So that's why I've got nice skin. And I scrub my body on my self-care Sundays. I do a sugar scrub, coffee scrub, all that kind of stuff, and I make sure that you see, you guys can see that my skin, I mean, do you see that? Even my foundation is matching. Yes, even my hands are matching, because I know not everybody's neck is the same as their chest and face. and my hands are not too far off from my natural skin tone. And then the last thing, ladies, let me bring my leg. You just have to get rid of all of this, okay? So I use two different like feet scrubbers. I don't know what you call them, but I have these two over here. I like this pink one. It also has those little roughness, like this little weird patch rough things on it, and just scrub off the dirt, scrub off the stress, have smooth heels. That's all we want. And I know you can also use like feet masks. I've never used those because I've never felt the need to. Bianca asked me to show you guys this. So to those that have been wanting to buy plants, this is a lace fern. All right, this is a lace fern. This is the most elegant plant I have. It's beautiful. It's just, you guys see, look at us. Yay, look at us being happy. Do you see how happy we are? But anyway, this is going to be a long video clearly. So this is called a lace fern. This is a beautiful beginner plant. It's stress-free. I love it. It mimics, like, I feel like I have a small cute tree in my collection, and we have this little new stem growing up, and it's quite long. So I am actually a little bit shocked. Do you guys see the difference? So let me know if you want me to show you an update on this once it has blossomed to these little leaves over here. And I'm obviously not using the correct plant jargon, but that's okay. But it's already just growing from the sides over there. You guys can see the little twigs and stuff. It looks really, really pretty. And I got this from Plantify. It's an online plant nursery shop. It's based in Cape Town. I think I used to live in Cape Town, so I think that's why I still want to buy stuff from there, because it just, yeah, I love them. I bought 4 of these. Okay, not 4 of the same plants. I ordered 4 different plants, and I think the price was like $4.20, and the plants have been growing just so beautifully. And this is a pot I got from Mr. Price. Let's see if it has a... This was 100 rand from Mr. Price. I love it, and it sits in its own nursery pot over there, which is a small one with proper drainage. Please make sure that your plants have proper drainage. Anyway, you guys must let me know. I feel like I've touched on lots of things in this video that you guys might be interested in. My skin, my makeup is looking so nice today. I think it's the best I've ever done my makeup in a really long time. And the base, I think the reason why I'm so happy is because this has just given me some sort of confidence that I obviously didn't have, because wow. And I think this was just 230, and I ordered it from Takealot. The ball is in your court. Now you decide. Tshidi, this is what you say in the comment section. For those that don't know, you say, Tshidi, can you please tell me more about the serum you spoke about? And then now I know you guys want skincare. You can say, Tshidi, can you please tell me more about the plant you were talking about? Now I have it. You can be like, Tshidi, what other stuff we shouldn't be using on our bodies that are bad? Sulfur. So that is the end of this video. It's pretty long. I didn't expect for it to be this long, but it is. So I'll see you guys in my next one, and bye.